Hi there, welcome to the world of English and welcome to EnglishReadingStarter1. Once again, this is Glyza. I am glad that I'm here to help you and to make you known and be knowledgeable about English. We will learn many things using this book, English Reading Starter 1. So, come and join me as we learn the essential things in this book. Okay, as you can see here, we are now covering Unit 3 and we will talk about star. So, do you have any idea about star is? Yes. Where can we find stars? Exactly. We can find stars in the sky. Do you know how many stars are there? Is it possible for us to count all the stars in the sky? Yes, it's very impossible because there are too many or too much stars. Okay, so I want you to read with me as we learn the information about star. Well, if you will ask me, the basic difference between a star and a planet is that a star emits light produced in its interior by nuclear burning, whereas a planet only shines by reflected light. Just like to give an example here. Well, there seem to be an enormous number of stars that are visible to the naked eye at a really dark site, but in fact, the eye can only see about 2,000 stars in the sky at one time. We can see the unresolved light of many thousand more when we look at the Milky Way, and the light of the Andromeda galaxy, which can be seen by the eye, comes from the thousands of millions of stars. Well, and if you would like to ask, the sun is our own special star, yet as stars go, it's a very average star. There are stars far brighter, fainter, hotter, and cooler than the sun. Basically, however, all the stars we can see in the skies or in the sky are objects similar to the sun. And it's true. Now I want you to read with me this one. We will read this in a slow pace. Let's begin. If you look up at the night sky, you can see plenty of stars. Stars are large balls of burning gas in space. Don't you wonder how hot those stars are? Some stars are very hot and some stars are cool. Believe it or not, a blue or white star is hotter than a red or yellow star. Now this time, I want you to read with me in a fast pace. If you look up at the night sky, you can see plenty of stars. Stars are large balls of burning gas in space. Don't you wonder how hot those stars are? Some stars are very hot and some stars are cool. Believe it or not, a blue or white star is hotter than a red or yellow star. Yes, wow, it's so amazing to have this kind of objects in the sky. Okay, so now let's move to the next part of this activity. Of this lesson. You can find two activities here, just like what we encountered from our previous videos. So, selecting true or false. So, there are some informations here. So, if you think the informations here are true, the information here is true. So, you can just pick true or false. Okay, but if you think the information is false, just pick false. Okay. Now let's start. Most stars are blue. Is it true or false? Okay, yes, it's false. Next, stars are sometimes hot and sometimes cool. Yes, it's true because some. We're talking about some. There are many stars in the sky, yes, and it's true, but it's countless, uncountable. Okay, now let's move to the next part. We have words here for us to know, and we will read this one. Now I want you to read after me. Look up, sky, plenty, burning gas, space, wonder, cool, believe. Okay, again we have look up, sky, plenty, burning gas, space, wonder, cool, and believe. Okay, there you have it. And we are now on the last part of this activity. We have more words to know, more to know about this lesson. Hotter. A is hotter than B. So maybe you can find the meaning here. Okay, and more information for you to know. So this one has been translated to Korean, so you have nothing to worry. Okay, so what else can I say? Thank you again for joining me. There you have it. We have successfully ended our lesson again for today. So thank you for joining me again. Well, as what I said from our last video, everyone has a desire to learn new things. So if you want, you should strive to develop your study habit, having access to information that presents a better understanding of English, right? And if you wish to learn more about English, I am urging you to study at EnglishReadingStarter1. So, for you to know, we develop web-based tutorials to provide instruction and common English grammar problems for non-native speakers of English, just like you. So you just have to visit our website and get well informed from all areas of English. Once again, this is Liza from CamEnglish.com. See you on our next video.